Hello mga kaguro! Welcome back to my channel. This is again Teacher Virgil for another tutorial video. And in this video, I will teach you how to make classroom rule posters using only our Microsoft Word document. Yes, you heard it right. So if you want to know more and learn about how to make poster using MS Word, then watch this video until the end. Kaguro is just simply open your Microsoft Word document, set up the paper, the layout, the size of the paper that you want, the orientation, landscape or portrait. Then this time we will use landscape, and then we will insert a border. It's up to you if you want it colored black, and also set up the thickness if you want it to be thick. In my case, I choose 4.5 point, and then make it at the center and choose, and this time we will insert an icon, a number icon. So this will be used as rule number 1. So as number, adjust the size, you want it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. And then position it to where you want it, okay? And then choose a color if you wanted to have a dark color or light color, it's up to you. And then we will insert where we will put the rule, the word rule, and we will bring it behind this number, okay? And just adjust it so that we can see the number instead of this cylinder shape, and then adjust that one. And also if you want to change the color, it's up to you, okay? As long as it's attractive, then it's okay. And then we will insert a text box and fill that text box so that there will be no border. And then we have to type rule, okay? Choose a font and its font size. Make sure na nasa loob siya ng shape. And then we will put also some glue. This time I will choose blue and adjust to make it at the center, okay? Just adjust. Yes, and then now go to your Google browser, choose for a Clipart for our rule number 1. So rule number 1 is please wear a mask before entering the room. And as you can see, there is a background. We will use remove.bj background to remove the background, and we can only see the picture without the background, and we will insert it to our Microsoft Word. And then position the clip art where you can see kids wearing masks like that. That's a great example for our students, right? Okay. And then insert text box. This is where we will put our rule number 1. Please wear mask or wear a mask before entering the classroom or the room. And adjust the font size. And if you want to change also the font, then you can choose any fonts available. You want it bold or not, it's up to you. Just adjust. And then now we will highlight wear a mask, and we will color it red, okay? And then just make it at the center. Adjust lang po natin whatever we like to do with this poster, okay? And now the clip art is bigger than the usual, okay? So now I think it's all set it up, right? But if you want to add more, then it's okay. Now I already did some of the rule, like set up already all the rules, something like that. And I put also like rule number 2, please clean your hands with soap and hand sanitizer. We'll put a clip there later on, okay? Now we're down to rule number 4, please keep your classroom neat and clean. Highlight only those important like words, okay, that we want to emphasize, right? And this font is quite big so that our pupils or our students can see it, okay? And we will put clip art or real pictures, whatever you like, then you can. Now we will go to Google Chrome and search for a student washing hands with soap to put in our poster number 2. Yes, right there. just right click, copy and paste. Adjust behind the text, okay, and just adjust to fit it in the poster. Okay, now we're changing the clip art. Okay, I'm choosing this person really washing hand in a sanitized, alcohol and soap in front of him, so that the kids can really see that he's using that in washing his hand. Just adjust the clip art, put it behind the text so that the text is more important than the picture, right? Yes. And also this one, practice social distancing at least 2 meters apart from other people too. So now, okay, now down to rule number 3, we will insert a clip art of 2 people wearing masks with the sign social distancing and an arrow apart with 2 meters or 6 feet away from each other. So this is a perfect illustration for this rule number, and we will have to adjust this sentence and put the clip art below that sentence. And now we will go down to rule number 4 and choose a perfect picture to associate this rule number. So please keep the classroom neat and clean. So the same with rule number 3, we will put the picture or the illustration below the sentence. Okay, adjust it to make it bigger. And then in rule number 5, we will find a perfect clip art too. A clip art that shows not touching mouth, eyes, and face, as well as the nose, right? So we have a lot here. This one is cool but not really that attractive. Oh, this one is perfect. So just copy and paste here in Microsoft Word. Adjust it by going to the picture format. Okay, and I will putting it on the right corner of our poster. Now on the last rule, we will choose this one: no sharing of personal items with your friends or with anyone. Okay, so I think this one is perfect. We will copy this and paste it to our to the Microsoft Word. Okay, and then adjust this. We will put this one below the sentence, same as what we did in rule number 3 and 5, and rule number 4 rather. And finally, we're done. This is our finished product. So we have our classroom rules poster. It's ready for lamination. Okay, I already printed this out, so it's ready for lamination. So mga kaguro, if you want a soft copy of this one, just let me know by commenting your email ad. I will send directly it through email. All right, so, and also I added some safety first signs, so just simply print right away, laminate it so that it will last. So this is really useful for the new norm, right mga kaguro? So just let me know, okay, if you want a soft copy, just comment below. So I think that's it for this video. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, just give me a like and share it with your friends and co-teachers mga kaguro. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates with my upcoming uploads and videos. Okay, so thank you so much.